Why your whole grain breakfast could save your life. My name is Angel, and I've been a dietitian for over 10 years. Now, whether it's your life or you're living with a family member or you care for someone who has high cholesterol, what high cholesterol does is it raises your risk for something like heart attack or stroke. If there's a buildup of lousy cholesterol levels in your bloodstream and it forms a plaque, pieces of that plaque can always dislodge. And if that little piece travels to the brain, that would cause a stroke. If it travels to your heart, that would cause a heart attack. And so, why your whole grain breakfast could save your life is when you introduce more foods that are rich in fiber, specifically soluble fiber, it helps to remove and lower the lousy cholesterol levels in our bodies. And by removing those lousy cholesterol levels and reducing that risk of buildup, then it sets back all of that potential risk of a bad cardiovascular event happening. So whether it's having oatmeal for breakfast or cream of wheat, whether it's throwing barley, maybe not into breakfast for that one, but into like a beef and barley soup, different ways to introduce whole grains into your overall diet and on a consistent level, that consistent practice of having more fiber, a more fiber rich diet can really, really help. I really hope that this has a beneficial effect for you or for someone that you care about. Please like, share, and follow for more.